Here's how to start your new HP laptop for the very first time. First, connect the charger and let the battery charge for a few minutes. Now press the power button to turn the laptop on. Choose your language, country, and keyboard layout to continue the setup. Connect your laptop to a Wi-Fi network using your internet password. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new account to continue. After a few minutes, your HP laptop will finish setup and open the Windows desktop. And that's it, right? Your new HP laptop is now ready to use.